Hey, time to do a few revision questions with you guys. This one's from review set 3A, question 3, and we want a part B, but let's just do the first bit anyway, just so that we can get in the swing of things. So we've got f of x equals 3 to the power of x, and the first part says find f of 4, which of course is just going to equal 3 to the power of 4, so that's pretty easy. We've got 81, nothing too hard about that. F of negative 1, let's just make sure we know what we're doing. F of negative 1, so that's 3 to the negative 1, which will equal 1/3. Part B is what we're after. So, find the value of k such that f of x plus 2 equals k times f of x. So let's just write out what the two sides are, and then it'll become pretty easy. So f of x plus 2 is 3 to the power of x plus 2, and that's got to equal k times f of x, which is just 3 to the power of x. That looks a bit dodgy. Let's try and write that x a little bit better. I'm trying to look at this screen rather than the one I'm writing on, but it's a bit tricky. So you get to see my ever thinning hair as I go. Doesn't matter. I want to make the one on the left look like the one on the right. I could divide by 3 to the x and that'll tell me what k is, or it's just as easy to recognize this thing. If we think about our first index law, a to the m by a to the n equals a to the m plus n, I could use that index law in reverse to make the left hand side look a little bit nicer. So that's going to be 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 squared, and that's going to equal k times 3 to the power of x. Now it becomes obvious when I divide each side by 3 to the power of x that k equals 3 squared, or k equals 9. Pretty easy. That's a nice short one. I'm going to upload a few more, and then I'm going to go to the gym, and if you've got any more, I'll have a look at them tonight. Have some fun. Keep studying hard.